Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Welcome. Today we'll be making some chicken and green peas, and here are my little itty bitty ingredients that I will be using. This is just to season the chicken. So here I added half tablespoon adobo all-purpose seasoning, half tablespoon Lorry seasoning, 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning, and 2 tablespoons chicken seasoning. And of course my chicken has been thoroughly washed. And here I also added 3 tablespoons of green seasoning. Now Vibes fam, I'm using chicken thighs, and I cut each thigh into 3 pieces. So here I also added some browning. I'm using browning on this one, and I just rub it up a bit. But then I remember, oh, I didn't add any garlic granules and any onion granules. So I added 1 tablespoon each of those. So go ahead and give it a mix and a stir and put it down. Set the chicken aside and let it marinate. Give it some even 3 hours, right? Overnight is always best. Okay, so here are the rest of my ingredients that I will be using, and there in the back you see that some chicken stock. So let's jump into the next part of the video. Here I'm adding some oil to my pot. And then I added 1 chopped up onion, and we are going to saute that until it is translucent. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add by the way, the fire is on, the heat is on medium. I added a little bit more oil. I don't like to add a lot of oil all at once, right? And now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon ginger, grated ginger. And Vibes fam, I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm adding all the niceness all at once, all the major players in terms of extra flavor. Yes, we're adding them. So now I'm adding 4 cloves of garlic. I minced them up, chopped them up really nice and fine. And Vibes fam, can you smell my kitchen? I'm telling you, all the is taking place. So go ahead and saute those for about 2 minutes, and then I'm adding a little bit more oil, and then I'm gonna add some other nice stuff. You're gonna see and you're gonna love them. And tell me, can you smell them? So yeah, Vibes fam, I went ahead and I added some thyme, and now I'm going in with the peppers. So some awesome bell peppers, and then saute those, and then we're going to cover it and give it 2 minutes, right? Just for everything to come together. 2 minutes. Look at beautiful. And after this, we're going to go ahead, give it a stir, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the chicken. Can you smell it? So it's searing time. So what we're doing, we are searing the chicken, right? So we're just making sure we're going to be stirring for a while, right? Because we need it to touch each and every piece of this chicken. Look at that. That looks so good. So what we're looking for is that it basically needs to stop sticking to the bottom of the pot. Like once you see a little juice coming through, or the chicken looking nice and ooh, that look good, nice and moist, that is what we're going for. So we're going to do that until it looks something like that. So just a little bit more, and then what we're gonna do after that, we're going to cover it for 10 minutes. And Vibes fam, let the natural juices come forth. I promise you, I didn't add any water, but check this out. Check it out. Vibes fam, look at that. Do you see that? Look at that juice. I promise you I didn't add any water. That's all natural. Okay, so now we're going to stir it up. And Vibes fam, listen, I'm just so excited. I'm always so excited and just in awe of all the natural juice when it comes forth. Like, yes, Lord, bless me, bless my pot. So yeah, look at that, so good. So what I'm gonna do, that, oh yes, tell me, oh, you want to take a bite? It's not ready yet. So we're gonna push the chicken to the side, and now I'm going to add some chicken stock. You can use chicken stock if you want, or vegetable stock. Now what we're doing is just bringing extra flavor to the pot. Or if you don't want to use the chicken stock, guess what, use some hot water. It is fine, right? It's just that extra flavor coming through, right? So now I'm adding a scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm going to cover that for 20 minutes. Ooh, Vibes fam, look at beautiful. Did you hear that? Did you hear the bubblation? Did you hear those bubbles coming through? Like, yeah, yeah, me, I'm a little bubble, I'm a little bubble, I'm a little bubble. Okay, so we're gonna stir it up, right? And just making sure it's not sticking or anything. So Vibe Sam, what I did, I added a little bit more browning because it wasn't to the color, the desired color that I want. And I'm taking out the pepper because I don't want it to burst in there. So as you can see, I added some scallion and some ketchup, and we're just gonna stir that up. Now, why I didn't want the pepper to burst in there is because, of course, my babies are gonna eat it, right? And that's the only reason. So yeah, add the ketchup and the thyme. And at this point in time, you can taste it. So cover it for 10 minutes and let's see what it do. Let's see how it is. And steam, the steam burnt my face. I got a little facial. Okay, so let's stir it up. It is looking so good, so juicy, so ready, so thickalicious. Ready, ready, ready. Okay, so Vibe Sam, what I did, I added a can of green peas. Look at everything. And now I'm adding some black pepper. So Vibe Sam, what we're going to do, we're going to cover this for 5 minutes and then we're going to be all done. And I'm telling you, it smells good. Make sure you taste it and see that it is to your liking. 5 minutes. My beautiful people, do you see beautiful juiciness of the chickenness? Do you see it? Look at it. Listen, you need to try this recipe. If you're saying no, green peas and chicken, don't underestimate it, Try it. I promise you, try it. Oh, look at the gravy. Oh, that looks so good. Woo. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have a nice bowl of chicken and green peas. Look at steam. Come through, steam up body. Yes, I love see the steam just bursting through my food. Oh, look at it. Hi, green peas. Oh, all you good flavors. Oh, you look so good. A little garnish. Yes, yes. But Vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go over Instagram and follow me, please. And TikTok and Facebook. Thank you. God bless you.